Would you believe that over 59 million Americans are freelancing, contributing to an industry that's worth a whopping $1.2 trillion? Yes, you heard it right. Welcome to the surprising world of freelancing. This isn't some far-off fantasy land, but a real thriving marketplace where skills meet opportunities. Freelancing isn't just a side hustle anymore. It's a full-fledged profession, a lifestyle choice, and for many, a ticket to financial freedom. What's the appeal, you ask? Well, imagine working from the comfort of your home. Or better yet, a beach in Bali. Picture setting your own hours, choosing projects that pique your interest, and saying goodbye to that pesky commute. That's freelancing for you. But don't be fooled, it's not all sunsets and cappuccinos. Freelancing demands discipline, resilience, and a whole lot of hustle. But if you've got a valuable skill, a can-do attitude, and an internet connection, you're already halfway there. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: money. The earning potential in freelancing is virtually limitless. Whether you're a graphic designer creating stunning visuals, a content writer weaving engaging stories, or a digital marketing whiz driving traffic and sales, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. And it doesn't stop there. With the digital age, new skill sets are emerging every day. From social media management to virtual assistants, from SEO specialization to app development, the landscape is constantly evolving. So if you're willing to learn and adapt, there's no telling how far you can go. But it's not just about the money or the freedom. Freelancing is also about making an impact. As a freelancer, you're not just a cog in the machine. You're an entrepreneur, a problem solver, a creative force. Your work can help businesses grow, shape brands, and even change lives. With such a massive market, it's no wonder that so many are turning to freelancing. Let's dive into some real-life examples. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer who turned her passion into a flourishing freelancing career. Sarah, like many of us, started off in the conventional 9-to-5 grind, spending her days in a cubicle, surrounded by the monotonous hum of office life. She was good at her job, but something was missing. It was like a color palette with all the shades of gray. Then, a light bulb moment. Sarah realized that she could use her digital skills in graphic design to carve her own path. She decided to step out of her cubicle and into the world of freelance graphic design. Sarah's journey wasn't a walk in the park. She had to navigate through a maze of challenges and uncertainties. She had to learn how to market herself, how to connect with clients, and how to manage her time and resources effectively. But she didn't back down. She viewed each challenge as a new design project, a problem to be solved with creativity and determination. She leveraged online platforms to showcase her work and connect with potential clients. She utilized resources like design blogs, online courses, and webinars to hone her skills. She even started a blog of her own, sharing her design insights and experiences, which not only helped her establish her brand, but also attracted more clients. And guess what? Her efforts paid off. Today, Sarah is a successful freelance graphic designer. She gets to work on projects she's passionate about, set her own hours, and most importantly, she's not confined to a cubicle anymore. She's painting her world with her own vibrant colors. Sarah's story isn't unique. There are countless Sarahs out there, transforming their passions into successful freelancing careers. What sets Sarah apart is her determination to make it work, her willingness to learn and adapt, and her ability to turn challenges into opportunities. Sarah's story shows that with the right skills and attitude, anyone can make it in the freelancing world. So, are you ready to color outside the lines, just like Sarah? Now let's talk about John, an SEO specialist who made a name in the freelancing industry. John was always a tech enthusiast, but he didn't know where to channel his passion. One day, while browsing the internet, he stumbled upon the term SEO, or search engine optimization. Intrigued, he dove headfirst into learning everything he could about it. He discovered that SEO is about understanding the algorithms of search engines and creating strategies to make websites rank higher in search results. John started by practicing on his blog. He used keywords effectively, optimized his site's speed, and ensured it was mobile-friendly. Slowly but steadily, his blog began to climb up the ranks. Seeing the tangible results of his efforts, John knew he found his niche. Armed with his newfound skill, John decided to take the plunge into freelancing. He began by offering his services on various freelancing platforms. However, he knew he had to stand out in a sea of other SEO specialists. So he developed a unique proposition. He would provide a comprehensive report of a website's SEO status, along with a detailed plan on how to improve it. John also knew that in the world of freelancing, your reputation is everything. So he made sure to deliver top-notch work every time, never missing a deadline. He also maintained open communication with his clients, keeping them in the loop about the progress of their projects. Before he knew it, satisfied clients started referring him to others, and his client base began to grow. John was not just an SEO specialist anymore. He was a sought-after expert in his field. His story brings us to an important point. Freelancing isn't just about having the right skills. It's also about knowing how to market yourself and provide value to your clients. It's about building relationships and a solid reputation. John's success proves that freelancing can indeed be lucrative if you know how to leverage your skills. So, if you've got a knack for something, why not consider offering it as a service? You never know, you might just be the next John. Last but not least, let's look at Emily, a content writer who thrives in the freelancing world. Our friend Emily is a whiz with words, a master of metaphors, and a scribe of superb sentences. She didn't always have it easy though. She started her journey with a laptop, a passion for writing, and a dream to make a living from her craft. Emily, like many others, began her career in a traditional 9-to-5 job. She was a copywriter for a tech startup, but she soon realized that she wanted more flexibility, more creativity, and more control over her work. And so she decided to take the leap into the unpredictable yet exciting world of freelancing. With a strong foundation in writing, Emily had the digital skills to make it in the freelance world. She was fluent in SEO and knew how to spin a tale that could captivate any audience. But having the skills is only half the battle. Emily knew she had to market herself effectively to land writing gigs. She started building her personal brand. She created a catchy, professional bio and a portfolio that showcased her best works. She joined freelancing platforms, participated in writing forums, and even started her own blog. By putting herself out there, she was able to attract clients who were looking for her unique writing style and expertise. Emily also understood the importance of networking. She connected with other freelancers, joined writing communities, and never missed an opportunity to learn from others. This not only helped her stay up to date with industry trends, but also opened doors to new opportunities. There were days when Emily had to deal with writer's block, demanding clients and tight deadlines. But she didn't let these challenges deter her. Instead, she saw them as opportunities to grow and improve. She became more disciplined, more resilient, and even more passionate about her craft. And her efforts paid off. Today, Emily is a successful freelance content writer. She gets to work on a variety of projects, from crafting engaging blog posts to writing compelling sales copy. She enjoys the freedom and flexibility that freelancing offers, and she couldn't be happier. Emily's story is a testament that with hard work and determination, you can succeed as a freelancer. Now, you might be wondering, how can I start my freelancing journey? Well, the first step in this journey is self-awareness. Take a moment to analyze your skills. What are you good at? Do you have a knack for writing? Or maybe you're a whiz in the world of graphic design. Perhaps you're a coding genius. Identifying your unique skills is the first step towards your freelancing career. Next, enhance and refine your skills. In the digital world, there's always room for improvement. Participate in online courses, webinars, and workshops. Stay updated with the latest trends and techniques. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the freelancing world, it's your currency. After mastering your skills, it's time to showcase them. This is where creating a portfolio comes into play. Your portfolio is your professional showcase, your visual resume. Include your best work that highlights your skills. Remember, quality over quantity. It's better to have 5 stunning pieces than 15 average ones. Now that you have a portfolio, it's time to find clients. This might be the most challenging part, but don't worry, there are several platforms where you can find potential clients. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great starting points. You can also utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients. While looking for clients, don't be disheartened by rejections. Remember, every no brings you one step closer to a yes. Be persistent and keep pitching your services. And finally, always maintain a professional attitude. Be punctual, respect deadlines, and deliver quality work. This will help you build a good reputation in the freelancing world, and happy clients will lead to more referrals. Starting your freelancing journey might seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can pave your way to success. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and start your freelancing journey. It's a world full of opportunities, and it's waiting for you. Before we wrap up, here are some tips and tricks to help you succeed in your freelancing journey. Firstly, let's talk about improving your digital skills. In this digital age, it's all about what you know and how well you can do it. So never stop learning. There are numerous online resources available that can help you sharpen your skills. Be it coding, graphic design, SEO, or content writing, there's always room for improvement. Next, networking is key. In the freelancing world, who you know can sometimes be as important as what you know. Connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and don't be shy about reaching out to potential clients. Building relationships can lead to more opportunities and collaborations down the line. Now, let's talk about setting realistic rates. This can be tricky, especially when you're just starting out. You don't want to undersell your services, but you also don't want to scare away potential clients with sky-high prices. Do your research. Find out what others in your field are charging and use that as a guidepost. And remember, as you gain experience and improve your skills, you can increase your rates accordingly. Maintaining a work-life balance is also crucial. Yes, freelancing gives you the flexibility to work when and where you want. But it's easy to fall into the trap of overworking. Remember to take breaks, set boundaries, and make time for hobbies and personal interests. After all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, right? Finally, stay organized. Keep track of your projects, deadlines, and payments. There are many project management tools out there that can help you stay on top of things. Being organized not only makes you more productive, but also gives you peace of mind. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with perseverance and the right strategies, you can make it. So there you have it, folks. The world of freelancing is vast and full of opportunities. We've journeyed together through the realms of graphic design, SEO specialism, and content writing. 3 key areas where your digital skills can truly shine and earn you a comfortable income from anywhere in the world. We've explored how to kickstart your freelancing voyage with tips on setting up your profile, showcasing your skills, and attracting clients. And we've delved into the secrets of successful freelancing, from time management to client communication and continual learning. The beauty of freelancing is that it's an ever-evolving landscape, and there's always room for new talents and skills. So whether you're a seasoned professional or a newbie looking to dip your toes in the digital waters, there's a place for you in the world of freelancing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. Remember, the first step to success is taking action. So why not start now?